Hello and welcome. This unusual red and grey Lego-esque structure with modern industrial beauty was built by the owner, who is a DIY enthusiast and a young architect. It is the first shipping container house in Hamilton, Ontario, and it took about 8 years to build and complete. The house is built using 8 40-foot shipping containers. The containers were fabricated off-site by a Toronto-based company, Storstac, and assembled on site in a record 8 hours. Never did the owner expect the house would take him over 8 years to build and complete because of unforeseen challenges with the project. Watch to the end to find out why such an amazing project took 8 years to complete instead of a few months as planned. Welcome back. The house sits at the base of an escarpment on 1,280 square feet concrete basement with 2 levels of shipping containers stacked on top. The shipping containers are placed parallel to each other in pairs and slightly sheared horizontally. The original container cargo doors on the docking ends are placed interchangeably in a checkerboard pattern on both the front and the rear of the building. This arrangement creates an interesting front and rear facades with 4 sets of container cargo doors welded in an open position to create private balconies fitted with full-height glazing for maximum daylighting and unrestricted access. Once you've stepped upon the wooden platform leading through the grey-framed glass door, you enter into the ground floor level of the house, which has a bright entryway fitted with 2 easy chairs and storage shelves. Opposite the entryway is a walk-in closet for all your accessories. Most bedrooms are located on the ground floor level, and they all have different perks. Some have more windows for natural lighting, while others have good-sized windows and a little more space. From the entryway is a hallway with a well-designed standard swing door on one side that opens into a spacious bathroom that serves the entire ground floor. Past the bathroom is the first bedroom. It is nicely furnished with a queen bed, bedside lamp, a large closet, a large dressing mirror, plenty of storage cabinets, a private lounge, and a large glass window that open onto a private balcony. Opposite the bathroom is the second and the third bedroom. The 2 spacious bedrooms are fitted with comfortable double beds, private lounge areas, closets, and glass doors that open onto private balconies. The large windows and doors maximize on light and transparency, as well as to optimize on views of the outdoors. From the ground level, there is a wooden staircase that leads to the lower level of the house. From the stairs, there is a compact storage room and a laundry room next to it. The lower level features a generously proportioned living area, which accommodates a dining space nicely furnished with custom-designed dining chairs and a big dining table to sit up to 4 or 6 depending on the need. The open-plan living accommodates a charming lounge space defined by an elegant floor mat and intentionally furnished with custom furniture pieces. While the property is clearly beautiful in the summertime, there is no need to fear winter either. The house is well insulated and comes with in-floor hydronic heating. The kitchen forms the main highlight of the living space. This modern-style kitchen is decorated in black tones and it comes with all the kitchen appliances, quartz countertops, under the counter and overhead kitchen cabinets for maximum storage. The kitchen island forms the focal point of the kitchen space. To celebrate the industrial theme of the house, even on the inside, the kitchen island is built on the side using the cuttings of the shipping containers. The island serves as a working countertop or a breakfast counter that can comfortably seat 3. The large glass window cum door on the side of the kitchen lights up the sink space, creating a clear view of the outdoors. The large glass doors on the side of the kitchen also open onto the backyard, creating more options for entertainment. Off the living area is a lengthy hallway with a mechanical room on the side and a glass door at the end of the hallway that opens to the outdoors. On the upper floor of the building, there are 3 more bedrooms. There is a sitting room, 2 bathrooms, a study room, and a storeroom. From the staircase landing, there is a well-lit home office adjoined by a storeroom. Joining the storeroom is a spacious bathroom that has got a toilet, a vanity with enough storage cabinets, a bathtub with a rainfall shower head, and essential bathroom amenities. Past the bathroom is the second living area, which accommodates a cozy lounge space, nicely defined with a beautiful floor mat and comfortable couches with a variety of throw pillows. A sliding glass door from the living room opens onto an adorable porch to extend the indoor living space to the outdoors. From the living room, there are 3 other bedrooms. The first one is a spacious primary bedroom with a balcony adjoined by a colorful kids' bedroom. Next to the kids' bedroom is the 6th spacious bedroom with a balcony. Exceptional craftsmanship blends seamlessly with designer interior finishes throughout the home, where everything has been designed with precision and style. Container architecture is highlighted at certain points of the building to preserve the original charm of the shipping containers, helping to emphasize on the industrial design of the house. The owner of this amazing property bought the plot from the city for $100,000, where the previous house had burned down years ago. The house was expected to be completed within 6 months, with an estimated total cost of about $500,000. To his surprise, the owner found out that the sewer pipes from several neighboring houses ran through the plot, making it difficult to proceed with the project without sorting out the mess. The city bureaucracy and permits took months to resolve, causing immense delays of the project and ultimately taking over 8 years to complete this amazing project. Which part of this amazing house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we feature amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.